San Jago High is represented by Renee Somerville, Renice Earl, Asani Roach, and Janelle Essen. Rusea's High is represented by Ronika Robinson, Kimari Martin, Michaela Allen, and Tyreek Campbell. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first match in round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and San Jago won and they decided to go first. So we begin with San Jago. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. San Jago, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who was the wife of Elimelech?
Naomi.
Correct. Rusea's, who was the widow of Mahlon?
So that's Ruth.
Ruth.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual one. San Jago, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Kevin Brown.
Kevin Brown.
Correct. And local affairs for Rusea's, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Dodridge Miller.
Incorrect. Professor Denzel Williams, UE Mona Principal. Biology for San Jago. What is the name of a variant form of a gene which can be identical or have slight differences?
Allele.
Correct. Biology. Rusea's, what is the name of the standard tool used in genetics to determine the probability of inheritance?
Punnett square.
Punnett square.
Correct. English language, San Jago. Spell mozzarella, which is a type of Italian cheese.
So this is Mozzarella.
Correct. English language for Rusea's. Spell parenthesis, which is a word inserted into a passage to explain or clarify.
Parenthesis.
Correct. Music, San Jago. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Never find a warmer soul to know.
Luther Vandross.
Incorrect. Elton John. Music for Rusea's. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Luther Vandross.
Incorrect. Tina Turner. General knowledge for San Jago. What is the tallest breed of dog in the world?
King Corso.
Incorrect. The Irish Wolfhound. General knowledge for Rusea's. What is the smallest breed of dog in the world?
Pomeranian.
Incorrect. Chihuahuas. And San Jago, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Charlton Heston.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Rusea's. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Let's go with Leonard Nimoy.
Leonard Nimoy.
Incorrect. Gregory Peck. Geography for San Jago. What is the name for a persistent body of dense ice that is constantly moving downhill under its own weight?
Glacier.
Correct. Geography Rusea's. What term is used to describe what occurs when an oceanic plate runs into a continental plate and slides beneath it?
Earthquake.
Incorrect. Subduction. Sports, San Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mikhailo Mudryk.
Incorrect. Chris Wood, footballer. And sports for Rusea's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Cole Palmer.
Correct. Chemistry for St. Jago. Pure calcium is made commercially by heating lime with what metal?
Iron.
Incorrect. Aluminium. And chemistry for Rusea. What anhydrous compound is used in electrolysis to produce pure calcium metal?
Anhydrous. Metal.
Ammonium.
Ammonium.
Incorrect. Calcium chloride. Mathematics, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are St. Jago on 6, Rusea High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.